On today's episode, we're diving into Cisco's latest security patches and AI-driven threat research, unpacking the unprecedented Lockbit leak revealing tens of thousands of Bitcoin addresses and insider extortion tools, and exploring Telegram's surge in malware scams alongside its new defenses, all to help you stay one step ahead in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. Next up in Cisco news, here's a concise overview of the latest security updates, research findings, and threat intelligence breakthroughs from the networking giant. 1. Major security patches released. iOS Exit Wireless Controller Critical Remote File Upload Flaw patched. SISF Security Intelligence Streaming. Fixes for an unauthenticated DOS vulnerability. iOS and iOS XE software. Updates addressing 26 distinct vulnerabilities. 17 designated critical or high severity, including privilege escalation, information disclosure, buffer overflows, XSS, CSRF, and directory traversal bugs. Digital Network Architecture, DNA Center Management. API closed a weak authentication hole that could be exploited remotely. Catalyst SD-WAN Manager, multiple fixes for privilege escalation, cross-site scripting and licensing feature weaknesses. Adaptive Security Appliance, ASA, and Firepower Threat Defense, FTD. Patched a critical EKF2 component flaw. 2. Deep dive on CVEs. Key iOS XE entries include CVE 2025-2198-2200 CLI privilege escalation, CVE 2025-21 bootstrap local escalation, CVE 2025-2021 packet filtering info leak, CVE 2025-2190 web interface escalation, and CVE 2025-2022 CDP buffer overflow. IOX hosting environment and DHCP handler in iOS and iOS XE both address denial of service conditions. A critical access point image download vulnerability was also remediated to prevent unauthenticated network exploits. 3. Cyber readiness and threat research. Cisco's 2025 Cybersecurity Readiness Index finds only 4% of organizations reach a mature readiness level, underscoring global gaps in people, process, and technology. Talos IR's newly unveiled proactive threat hunting framework offers playbooks and tooling to spot emerging adversary techniques before they strike. Talos warns that phishing kit sophistication is on the rise. Kits able to bypass multi-factor authentication now account for roughly half of initial access vectors. 4. AI-powered security innovations, Foundation Sec 8B by Cisco. A step-by-step installation guide is now available for this open-source cybersecurity-focused language model. Cisco XDR, expanded automation for forensic data collection and AI-driven investigation workflows aimed at accelerating SecOps response times. That's the latest from Cisco. Patch early, hunt proactively, and leverage AI to stay one step ahead of ever-evolving threats. Coming up in Lockbit News, security researchers have confirmed that the notorious Lockbit ransomware as a service operation has itself been hacked. Over the past week, an unknown group claiming ties to Prague breached Lockbit's dark web affiliate panels and dumped the gang's MySQL database for public viewing. Here's what investigators have uncovered so far. Almost 60,000 Bitcoin addresses and private keys tied to Lockbit payouts were exposed, potentially opening the door for law enforcement to trace ransom payments. Thousands of victim negotiations, complete with plain text chat logs and victim profiles, were published, revealing the gang's extortion tactics and affiliate communications. Internal tools and affiliate management components were disclosed, giving defenders new insight into how Lockbit recruits, partners, sets ransom rates, and immobilizes networks. A leaked copy of Lockbit GPT, an AI-powered tool the group shared internally, is now freely available to cybersecurity and OSINT researchers, though its accuracy remains under review. Analysts believe this breach could mark a turning point. By unraveling Lockbit's infrastructure and revealing affiliate credentials, the leak may help authorities disrupt future operations and decrypt past attacks. Meanwhile, Lockbit has vowed to press on, even as rivals and security firms sift through the data for fresh leads. Stay tuned as we track this unprecedented twist in the ransomware saga. Next up on Telegram News, here's your brisk security roundup. 1. New malware and scams on the rise. A fresh strain of malware targeting Russian Telegram users is spreading via fake job offers. Once installed, it harvests financial credentials, with one attack on a Russian firm netting thieves 960 million rubles and leaking 1,148 databases. Separately, a 28-hacker group struck 150 organizations, 147 impacted using phishing bots and malicious links. Even a Russian cybersecurity service was compromised, exposing over 250,000 users. Users have also reported fake cryptocurrency giveaways, bogus review schemes, and COVID-19 vaccine disinfo circulating in rogue channels. 2. Government crackdown on crypto mining. Russian authorities have launched a nationwide sweep against illegal cryptocurrency mining, seizing rigs from both individuals and corporate setups and levying hefty fines. 3. Telegram's fortified defenses. In 2022-23, Telegram rolled out multiple security upgrades, chatlock passwords, and enhanced two-step verification, built-in anti-phishing filters and DDoS protections, automated fake account detection, and tighter bot permission controls, continued commitment to end-to-end encryption on secret chats, and zero access to user data. These measures aim to thwart malware-spreading bots, phishing campaigns, and unsolicited data harvesting. 4. Expert take and user advice. Cybersecurity analysts laud Telegram's encryption protocols and privacy stance even under government pressure, but warn that no platform is immune. Channels like CyberZeet are dedicated to spotting new threats. To stay safe, only join trusted groups, verify job offers or crypto promos before clicking, enable all available security features, and keep your app up to date. Thanks for joining us. Stay safe online, and don't forget to tune in next week for our weekly cybersecurity episode.